Morning with the news story. We're getting in some breaking inputs. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hit back at Tejasvi Yadav. We are learning while addressing a rally, Prime Minister Modi in fact said that RJD has started counting who is Hindu in the army. He says RJD has exposed themselves and they want to divide the entire nation. Well, this is what Prime Minister Modi's own counter has been as he addressed a rally. He's in fact countered RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav's allegations, saying that they question the surgical airstrike, they abuse the army chief. To whom do they want to appease is the question he's raising. Let's also listen into what Prime Minister Modi said.
अब आरजेडी ने ये गिनना शुरू कर दिया है कि सेना में कौन हिंदू है, कौन मुसलमान है, यही इनका असली चेहरा है। ये लोग समाज को बांटने के लिए, देश की एकता तोड़ने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। मां भारती की रक्षा के लिए जो सीने पर गोली खाता है वो पहले भारतीय होता है। और ये आरजेडी के लोग उसे हिंदू मुसलमान की नजर से देखते हैं। देश को इस दिशा में ले जाएंगे ये लोग। यही लोग सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक पर सवाल उठाते हैं, एयर स्ट्राइक पर सवाल उठाते हैं। यही लोग आर्मी चीफ को गाली देते हैं। आखिर किसको खुश करने के लिए किसके इशारे पर ये बोला जाता है? देश सब देख रहा है, जनता है, सब कुछ जानती है। आरजेडी का इतिहास सामाजिक न्याय का मुखौटा लगाकर हमेशा तुष्टीकरण करने का रहा है। जब गोधरा में कार सेवकों को जिंदा जलाया गया था, तब रेल मंत्री ये शाहजादे के बेटे थे जो सजा काट रहे हैं और जमानत पे घूम रहे हैं।
Alright, so you heard Prime Minister Modi's scathing attack against Tejasvi Yadav of the RJD. A very key takeaway of that is Prime Minister alluding to the Godhra carnage during which the railway minister was Tejasvi Yadav's father, Lalu Yadav, and in fact he's saying that no remark was passed when Hindus were in fact traumatized, they were tortured over there during the Godhra carnage, and in fact it was Lalu Yadav who was very much the railway minister and Tejasvi Yadav's father. And in fact Prime Minister has also said that they are playing the politics of appeasement. The RJD is known to play a politics of appeasement. तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति खेलते हैं is what Prime Minister has said, that RJD wants to divide people into Hindu and Muslims. They question the surgical airstrike, they abuse the army chief. Who do they want to appease is a question that Prime Minister Modi has raised at that rally. Remember, Tejasvi Yadav in fact has attacked the Prime Minister and the Bharatiya Janata Party for using the religion card. He's saying that the party is playing on the narrative of religion and Sanatan Dharma only to divert attention from other real issues. That is what Tejasvi Yadav had to say as he spoke to Rao, saying the Prime Minister, the President, the Chief Ministers of all the states and all three army chiefs are in fact Hindus. Yet these people are saying that religion is in a state of danger.